following portion of Bloom is sponsored by Tampa Bay Total Wellness.
The growing healthcare trend of virtual medicine is not slowing down. The same great care you receive in person at Tampa Bay Total Wellness is now available to you virtually through tbtotal.health. Here to share the ease of access from your computer or smartphone to personal high-quality medical care for hormone replacement, sexual health, weight loss, and more is Tampa Bay Total Wellness Age Management Specialist, Tammy Oberbreckling. Tammy, it's always such a pleasure to see you.
You too, Gail. Thank you.
So talk to me about the new virtual platform. It sounds amazing.
So we have people requesting all the time, how can my friend in Naples or my friend in Ohio get the same services? So we decided to launch it virtually across the United States. We just piloted it. It's live now in Florida and Ohio, where they have access to the same care that we do here in the Tampa Bay area.
Now, why did you decide to launch this platform?
Well, you know, I'm a little crazy. It's just, it's been a heart of mine to bring longevity to everybody, and there's so many areas that are underserved. They don't have the same access we do in a big city like Tampa.
Yeah, and a lot of services can be done online. Really, all of your services can be done online. Talk to me about what you offer.
So pretty much COVID helped us with that. You know, we had to come up with a solution to treat people without seeing them physically. So we do hormone replacement. So they can do injectables, creams, oral medications. We can do the diet and weight loss medications, and sexual health can all be done online.
Yeah, that is great, because your quality of care is really incredible. I mean, like, you helped me get through a thyroid hurdle that I've been dealing with for years. And then, you know, just having someone like yourself that can analyze my blood work, get everything done, was a game changer.
It is, and there are other telehealth companies, but what we find is they aren't doing quality telehealth. I mean, they're just sending you a prescription. So we really want to get into a consultation, dive deep into blood work, and give the same care that you would get in a 45-minute office visit.
Now, do you take insurance?
We do. So there is an insurance plan with this. They'll pay a monthly small membership, and we'll bill everything through their insurance for their medications and what lab work and such.
Oh, that's incredible. Now, who can benefit from this virtual platform?
Everybody. Everybody can benefit from it. So, you know, if you're really worried about aging or your hormones are balanced, you know, do you need to lose some weight? You know, just sitting down and, like you did, do a deep dive into why is your body the way it is, you can come up with some pretty significant solutions to living well.
I think that's really incredible, because it did take someone like yourself to analyze something that, to be honest with you, so many doctors and specialists had looked at. But it wasn't until I came to you that you compounded medication. You come at, you know, health issues from different angles.
Yes, myself and all of our staff love the art of just solving the problem for a patient, and sometimes it can be as simple as your solution was.
Yeah, and it's personalized care that is for each individual patient.
Everyone is treated individually.
All right, Tammy, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Well, for expert care virtually everywhere, head to tbtotal.health, or you can call Tampa Bay Total Wellness at 1-888-8-AGE-WELL to schedule your consultation. We'll be back with more Bloom right after this.
The preceding portion of Bloom was sponsored by Tampa Bay Total Wellness.